Hi guys, my name is Jam Asif and today I will tell you how to push the data to Power BI streaming dataset with the help of C# code. Let's go to the next slide. So here I have given the 4 steps which we have to follow in our video to create the streaming dataset in the Power BI and then push the data to Power BI push URL, and then we can create the dashboard with the tiles to show the streaming data from our streaming data set. Let's go to the Power BI. I will sign in on my Power BI account. Let's go to the workspace. From the workspace here I have different options: dashboard, reports, workbooks, and datasets. So in this video, first of all, we have to create our streaming dataset. Let's click on this datasets option, and from here we'll create our dataset. Let's click on this create button, and once we will click on this create, it will give us different options, and for our video we have to select this streaming dataset option. And once we will click on the streaming dataset option, it will give us 3 options, which is called API, Azure Stream, PubNub. For this video I will tell you how to create your custom API and then get one push URL and then push your data through with the help of C# code to your streaming dataset, and then use that dataset on the dashboard in the streaming format. Let's click on the next. Give your name. Give the name my streaming demo. And here in my notepad I have already defined the fields. I will give each field name like this. For the product ID, I will select the number. I want to tell you why I am creating these fields with the name of product ID. Actually, today's demo I will tell you how our delivery service data will push to the Power BI, and then we can show delivery service data on the dashboard. So that's why I'm creating the fields with these names. Next field is product name. So this product name is the text. So we'll select the text option. Product price. Price will be number an integer, and I'll give a region, which region we are delivering our service. Region will be also text. And next will be the city. It will be also text. Next will be the country. Country will also be the text. And then next will be the delivery date and time. This will be the date format, date and time format. So we have created almost 7 fields. So let's click on this create button, Once we created these fields, we given the name of the data set. You can see sample field names with sample data. The JSON format came here so that you can understand how you have to send the data to this data streaming data set. We'll select another option which is called historical data analysis. We have to select this if we want to analyze our historical data. So let's click on this create button. Congratulations, so our streaming dataset has been created. Let's copy this URL so that we can use, this is called push URL, so that we can use it in our C# code to push the data over the streaming dataset. So done. Let's go to, next step is go to Visual Studio and create one uh, class library project and then write your code. So in this very short video I cannot write this much code, that's why I have already written my code, but I will tell you which product type you have to select. Go to Visual Studio and then from here you have to create one project. Type is class library .NET standard. So once we create this project, I will show my existing project which I have just created. It's my code. So in this C# code you have to do one important thing. As you know that I showed you that on the Power BI streaming dataset it's required JSON format. For that we need to use one, and this using which is called NewtonSoft.json that you can find on under the tools, and you can get it from the NuGet package manager. From here you will select this manage NuGet packages for solutions, and then you can search the NewtonSoft.json. It will give you the option. Once you select this, it will ask you to install, or you will install. It will be available in your project to use it in your usings, so that you can use it and you can serialize your data to send it as JSON format from C#. So let me tell you what I have done. I have given the name of my project as Power BI Delivery Service, and then I have created one class which is called Product Delivery, and then I'm using C# class which is called Random to generate the random product price, and then I'm using the list of my custom class which is called Jam Delivery Service, which is having three fields: product ID, Power BI URL, and product name. I have given the default names here, and then in this class Power BI post URL, I will give this push URL so that my data can be pushed to my recently created dataset. Let's copy the URL here, paste the URL here. And after that, I'm calling one of my method which is called generate Power BI data, and this method is taking three parameters: duration, pause interval, time format. I'm giving duration is 60 minutes, and pause interval is 2 seconds, and then time format is this. And then in this method, I am looping on this class, and then I am calling another data to push my data to the Power BI. And in this method I am calling this fill delivery details method, which is filling this detailed class object with sample data on the basis of counts for each loop, which I am using in above method. And then after that, once data is filled, I am using this I'm serializing this class data to JSON. And then I'm using the HTTP post async method, which is taking this URL and this JSON string to post the data. Let's go to this HTTP post async method. This method is using this HTTP content and HTTP response message, and then it's posting as async call with the URL and the content, and then it's giving the response. That's it. So let's build this code. It's built successfully, and then let's run this code. You can see it start putting the data, pushing the data to the Power BI streaming dataset. Let's go to Power BI. I will create one dashboard which is called DB. Then I will create the tiles type of custom streaming. And next, I will select the latest recently created streaming dataset and click on next. Select the visualization type. Select this cluster bar chart. I will select the value for axis product. Select the value for price, and then I will say click on the next. I'll give the name of this tile. Product. So you can see its live data is streaming here. As it's generating here, it's pushing to this push URL and of this streaming dataset, and then it's showing here. You can see initially it was one product, now it's two, and it will get increased. Let me create another tile. Custom streaming data. Next. Dataset. Next. put this link onto the description of my YouTube video so that you can download this code and use it. I hope this video is helpful to you to enhance your skills over Power BI. See you in the next video. Take care, stay safe everybody. Bye bye.